Bhandar.
Namaste.
Vijayalakshmi, unmute yourself. I request all the participants, please mute yourself.
योगेन चित्तस्य पदेन वाचा मनं शरीरस्य च वैद्यकेन योपाकरोक्तं प्रवरं मुनीनां पतञ्जलिं प्राञ्जलिं प्रणतोऽस्मि। ॐ सदाशिवसमारम्भं शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् तस्मादाचार्यपर्यन्तं वन्दे गुरुपरम्परम्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनामदितमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। हरि ओम। Over to Devraj sir.
My pranams to all. Namaste. I chant 6 slokas from Bhagavad Gita. Tadvidhi pranipatina pariprasnena sevaya upadekshanti te gnanam gnaninastatvadarshinaha नैनं छिन्दन्ति शस्त्राणि नैनं दहति पावकः न चैनं क्लेदयन्त्यापः न शोषयति मारुतः कर्मण्येवाधिकारस्ते मा फलेषु कदाचन मा कर्मफलहेतुर्भुः मा ते सङ्गोऽस्त्वकर्मणि योगस्त कुरु कर्माणि सङ्गं त्यक्त्वा धनञ्जय सिद्ध्यसिद्ध्यो समो भूत्वा समत्वं योग उच्यते चञ्चलं हि मनः कृष्ण प्रमाथि बलवदृढं तस्याहं निग्रहं मन्ये वायोरिव सुदुष्करम् असंशयं महाबाहो मनो दुर्निग्रहं चलम् अभ्यासेन तु कौन्तेय वैराग्येण च गृह्यते। नमस्ते. My pranams to all. Thank you very much.
Special task to Vijayalakshmi.
Thank you, sir. He is the yoga guru, spiritual master, philosopher, counselor, psychotherapist, young research scholar, founder of Chaitanya Yuva Kendra, and founder and president of Chaitanya Global Foundation, professor and HOD of Yoga Department of Yoga, Samskritam University, Florida, USA. He is the pillar and backbone of Corona Yogi Warrior Program. None other than Professor Dr. Suresh K. Narkavi, Chairman of the day. I heartily welcome you to Sir. Floor is yours. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Dr. Vidashri Madam, for welcoming. So now I would like to take this opportunity to welcome dignitaries on the floor. So first I'd like to welcome Dr. Harish Ji, the Chief Guest from International Naturopathy Organization, the Vice President. So Dr. Harish Ji, I welcome you on behalf of the Corona Yogi Warrior team. Next, we have Vinay Kumar Ji, is a guest of honor, District Youth Officer from Nehru Yuva Kendra, Bangalore Urban District, the Ministry of Youth and Sports, Government of India. I welcome Sir Vinay Kumar Ji, I welcome you. Next, we have the Dr. Professor B.V.K. Shastri Ji, the Chief Patron and the Chancellor of Yoga Samskritam University, Florida. So Shastri Ji, I welcome for this event. Next, we have Shri Anjana Reddy Ji, is the Chief Advisor and Patron of Yoga Corona Yogi Warrior Program, is a former President Favored K. Shri Anjana Reddy Sir, I welcome you, sir. Next, we have Shri Radha Krishnan Ji, is a research partner from Satyananda Research Center, Kerala, Kozhikode. Satyananda Ji, I also welcome for you, sir. And Dr. Parameshwar Ji, the yoga expert and guru, professor and research scholar from Yoga Samskritam University. Dr. Parameshwar Ji, I welcome you. So I welcome you all the teachers of the Yoga Chaitanya Yoga team, all the participants of this event and the organizer collaboration, all the events. So I'd like to thank you and welcome you all one and all for this today's program. So during that COVID pandemic, second pandemic, so we are very challenging. We are not supposed to go out of the home. Also, we are stay at home. So during that this COVID second wave pandemic, so we think that what we can do for this second wave, at least work at home, do yoga from home. So like that, we also thought we can do the online programs of 14 days, 2 weeks saptaha, COVID-19 prevention and management. So we thought this program, we can also plan to do program along with the mini scholars. So like that, with the one second, we plan for this event. So we have the mini backbone support team we have along with us. Dr. B.V.K. Shastri, the Chancellor of Yoga Samskritam University. So he is our mentor and guide and guru. So like that, we have Anjana Reddy Sir, the Chief Advisor for this event. So like the Satyananda Research Center, Radha Krishnan Ji and Dr. Radha Chandra Sir, like that. So many souls come together, so we can plan this event for 14 days. Even we have many trainers. Rupashri Madam is a master trainer, and Mahesh Ji is a person who make the Google form. So we have day and night we working on this program. We want to make the success. So today we are seeing the success means behind a front line and backbone. So we have many people, souls are joined together to make this event. So we are more than 319 souls are participated, yet have benefited out of this program. So we have many things to have. Please stay with us. So we have 11 to 12:15 the program till will be there. So I'll request all the participants, please join with us along with the family. So take the blessing from the many yoga gurus is there, many research scholars and chief guests will be there. So please stay with us. So I welcome you all once again. So this is a small opening remarks for myself. And we have a special task to Rupashri Madam, Chaitanya Global Foundation research scholar. So brief report about this Corona Yogi Warrior Program. Rupashri Madam, please unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
Yes, the floor is yours, Madam. Thank you.
Thank you so much. I would like to share the screen.
Yes, Madam, you are the host now.
Okay. Corona Yogi Warrior Program. Online yoga program was conducted with collaboration with Nehru Yuva Kendra, Bangalore, Bangalore Urban Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports, Government of India, Yoga Sanskritam University, Florida, USA, Federation of Voluntary Organizations are Satyananda Yoga Research Center, Kerala, Water and Environment Development Organization, Vidu, Kerala, Atindriya Yoga and Acupuncture Center, Karnataka, International Institute of Yoga Allied Education and Research Center, National Human Resource Council of India, Karnataka, Global Citizens Peace Federation, Chaitanya Yoga and Mahaprabhu Nama Bank, Nama Prachara India. These were all the people who were like in the backbone of conducting, organizing this program. And I just want to tell you how many people were enrolled in this program. Total registrations we have received is 319. And out of that, 150 male, 47%, and female, 53%. Always everywhere now women are coming up. So 53% of women participated. And in that, married, it is showing 226 and singles 79. Number of districts and states who all participated, like 82 districts and 18 states were participated. Any health related issues or symptoms, as we had asked, yes, 75% had reported and no 76%. How many people were COVID positive? These were in that only 19% was like positive, I guess. Rest are all like 9 only. How many people are there? 19 COVID positive is showing. Rest 97% of the people were doing it for the prevention of the corona thing. Who are all were benefited? Like all these people who ever participated every day. But so though we had like 319 applications were received, but only 150 to 160 people were regularly attending the classes, and they got benefited. Okay. In this program, which was certified by the Ayush, we were using yoga asanas, breathing practices, yogic breathing, pranayama and relaxation techniques, and meditation. So we were using all the Ashtanga yoga techniques in this to benefit for the people. We wanted to give them all the things. We wanted to give them all the flavors of yoga, like in the yoga, what all we have. It says, no, 8, we have yama, niyama, asana, pranayama, pratyahara, dharana, dhyana, samadhi. In that, we have taken most of the things from that Ashtanga yoga, and we have tried to give the flavor to the people, like how it will be. So if they are inspired by this, they'll be able to continue. So these many people, and we had batches like morning 6:30 to 7:30 and 7:30 a.m. We had again in the afternoon, we had batch, and we had in the evening batches 5:30 to 6:30 and 6:30 to 7:30. And we had it in 5 different languages, Malayalam, Tamil, Hindi, Kannada, English. All these 5 languages we had the classes, and all we had 20 dedicated yoga teachers who were working very hard, even though the participants were less, like sometimes maybe it was only like 3 or 2, though they were not like, okay, why should I take? They were not like that. They said they have given their 100% to teach the people, whoever came. It might be only 2 people or 3 people or 15 people. So they have given their 100% to teach them, whoever was interested. And we have conducted the camp successfully. And by the the people who participated wanted the extension of the program. So they wanted to practice for 1 more week. So our organizers have generously responded to the people, and they said, okay, 1 more week we will extend the program so the people can get more benefit out of it. And I want to tell all the participants who participated in this is you get the benefit and don't stop practicing yoga right after finishing of this one more week. Please try to practice every day. As Patanjali Maharshi says, Satu Dirgha Kala Nairantarya Satkala Sevita, like that you have to practice every day for a long time. Then you will be able to reap the benefits of the yoga practices. So we have given you all the things like what all the Ashtanga Yoga says, breathing practice is there, pranayama is there, which is the need of the hour. So many people are not able to breathe properly. So we are trying to teach them how to breathe properly, how to do pranayamas and get rid of like build the resistance power to fight with the COVID-19. So these are the sessions were very well conducted by qualified experienced yoga teachers, and the professionals and senior yogacharyas used to visit all of them in between the class, and if they had any doubts they used to clear, and it was very well organized by the organizers, and hope all the people had very great experiences. That's it. Thank you, sir. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, Rupashi, madam. This is follow from Chaitanya Foundation. So for your wonderful brief presentation, thank you so much. So we have a special task from Dr. Chandra Madhava sir. He's from Satyananda Research Center and Vido, Kozhikode, Kerala.
Sir, shall I speak, sir? Shall I speak?
Yes, sir. Yes.
I hope you can see me, no? My face is seen. Is it there? I am there. Or should I come? Share screen, let me see.
Sir, we are not able to see you.
I don't know what is happening. I am showing share screen.
So you want to share something?
I am showing share screen. Host is disabled participant screen sharing. That is host is disabled participant screen sharing. I don't know why it is so. I have mute Chaitanya Kendra view. What is the option for me to why I am not able to? I am not seen. I don't know. I am able. Suresh sir, I can see. The lady who spoke also I was able to see, but I don't know.
Okay, sir. You can give me a voice message. That's fine, sir.
I don't know why
make myself host.
Pardon. Excuse me.
Continue, sir. You can deliver your.
I don't know why my face is not seen. Share screen option.
Turn on your video.
For video to share. Start video.
Yes, sir. You want to turn on your video, sir?
Now can you see me?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You can turn on your video.
Now it is okay. Okay, thank you.
Rupashi madam, make myself host.
So good morning, all of you. My name is Dr. Madhava Chandran, not Chandra Madhavan, but Dr. Madhava Chandran. I am a retired senior principal scientist and head of a division in institute in Kozhikode in Kerala called Center for Water Resources Development and Management. Basically, it's a research institute government research institute working on water resources. I retired in January 2020. I am basically a PhD in social sciences, postgraduate in agriculture science. My interest in basically yoga, meditation is basically, first of all, one with respect to started practicing in some point of time back. Being a social scientist, I was interested in working on research on yoga, meditation, art of living, etc. That is, we have worked and prepared a lot of paper, some number of reports and papers. Research papers. The context in which I came into understanding our Dr. Suresh sir is basically through one Dr. Vijay Raghavan, who was the person who has taken the class here in Malayalam. I contacted him. Then he was mentioning the right time you called because we are having a program for 14 days, starting on last Sunday 19th, and then according to that from 16th, sorry. So that is how I got associated with them. Then I was interested. I was asking them whether some amount of research we can do. Then he said we are on mental stress due to COVID. We'll study, and we a validated scale in UK. I have taken that scale and adopted some of the items and put in the first questionnaire which was given to you while you were registering. I hope all of you might have answered. Some 312 odd people have raised. After this, before you enter the course, I hope you might have got a question asking what was the effect of yoga, this 14 days yoga on you, extremely good, etc., etc. If you are not answered, kindly answer that. Then only we can prepare a report based on the original level of mental stress at that point of time and what is the change, what is the improvement through yoga. Kindly answer. This is the context in which I have associated. I am president of an NGO here called Water and Environment Development Organization. See, people who have retired mainly from my institution where I worked, we started this. We are doing small projects on water resources, environment, etc. In addition to trying to propagate yoga as well as doing research on yoga and meditation. So I am associating with this program as the president of WeDo, as we do. Our vice president Sri Valsan, basically, who is also a retired senior technical officer from my institution, is also participating in the program, in the 14 days program. I am sure he might be there today also in the valedictory function. Then as far as Satyananda Yoga Research Center Kozhikode is concerned, Sri N.P. Radhakrishnan sir, who is the working president, and the founder director, working president of that Satyananda Yoga Center, and the founder director of Satyananda Yoga Center called Dr. Vijay Raghavan, who is a yoga expert who has given the classes in Malayalam. They are the people who are associating with this through Satyananda Yoga Research Center. I am also one of the research coordinator of the Satyananda Yoga Research Center. So this research on mental stress is the main component I am involved in addition to propagating the message of this 14-day training through our NGOs to our friends. Thank you very, very much. I am extremely thankful to Dr. Shastri sir, as well as Dr. Suresh sir, as well as all the other people who are associated with the program in giving an opportunity not only to me but also to my institution NGO WeDo Kozhikode in participating in the program. I can assure you in the future also, whatever you want with respect to any development programs which is meant for the society, being a social scientist, I am involved not only in research but in trying to propagate things which are useful to the society. I will be available, and Dr. Suresh, I will be keeping in touch. Thank you so much. Thank you once again. Okay.
Thank you, Madhav Chandra sir, for your support and your research brief report. So now we request two participants to share your experience. Uma madam, please unmute yourself.
Oh, yes, Valsan is there. Valsan, are you joined? Have you joined, Valsan? Valsan, Vice President of my NGO WeDo from Kozhikode. Sri Radhakrishnan sir is there. Sri N.P. Radhakrishnan.
Sir, we'll all joined, sir. There, all are joined.
I just wanted to.
Madam, you can share your experience, madam. Uma madam, matadi madam.
Namaskaram to all.
Namaskar.
I'm Uma from Chennai. I'm 60 years old. I have been informed by my friend Raji to join this yoga training program. Being in this pandemic, we were so much depressed as we are missing our colleagues. Everyone is passing through this COVID and passed away. That depressed me so much. Even I know yoga and dance, I could not do anything at home. But I find it very useful to join this yoga, and my stress is completely gone. Thank you so much for organizing these yoga programs, which is beneficial to any age group, especially for people like me. Thank you. I would like to thank Sindhu Sri for teaching us very patiently, indulging ourselves to do body movement in a normal, slow possible way. Thank you. Thank you all.
Thank you, Uma madam, for your valuable sharing your experience. So next we have Urmila Ravishankar ji.
Namaste, sir. Namaste to everybody.
Namaste.
I'm from Bangalore. Basically, I am into IT, sir. I do corporate trainings for the IT companies, and also a pranic healer. But I don't know how to thank, this Ayush and the Chaitanya Yoga Center for the commitment and the service that they did. The policies are different, sir. Whatever policies they might have made from the government or so is different. But the humanly action that they took, the service that they have done, I'm sincerely thankful and grateful to all of you, because that service comes from your heart. So I really want to thank from my bottom of my heart to everyone, the instructors. Your commitment and the service is Namo Namaha. Because the first day, and another thing is, I have not missed one session also, sir. I enrolled for morning 7:30 batch, but first day I took up the 7:30 batch. But later I could not. Next day I realized it will be difficult for me. I have to balance many other things. So I joined the 5:30 batch. So the very next day, the teacher, the instructor of that morning batch, she called me. Let me name her. I think Sheetal Mistry or so from Mumbai. She called me to find out why I didn't participate, just to make sure whether I'm participating. I was really touched by that. I was really touched. I'm really thankful to that, young lady for her, concern. And then evening I started, that is at 5:30. Mr. Umakant sir is my instructor. I don't know whether he's there now in the call. Again, the Mr. Paramashivaya sir and even Arvind, the instructor, all these people used to log in and see whether all are, participating, whether everything is, happening as planned, and whether we are learning everything. So that commitment and the service that they did, really, I was so touched by it. I was so impressed and touched. So this is something like expressing your humanitarian concern. That is something which we all look forward always, especially now in the pandemic, times, because that is what is going to boost your immune system. That is what I feel. Yoga, of course, all that is definitely beneficial. But for me, as as my nature, what I feel is the most important thing that touches the heart of the person is the humanitarian attitude a person will express, during all times and especially now. The empathy and the real concern that one has
Thank you so much, madam.
towards, people.
Thank you
So that touched me.
for your valuable feedback and
So
expression.
I'm very, very grateful, sir.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for participating also. Thank you so much.
Thank
So,
you, sir.
Sheetal Matriji, yoga teacher. Please unmute
Yeah,
yourself.
morning.
Sheetal ji, yoga teacher. Seema Maharajan ji, yoga teacher.
Yes, sir. Sheetal here.
Yes, madam. You can share your experience, your teaching experience to the floor.
Yes. First of all, thank you to you all and Chaitanya Yuva Kendra as well. Because of this opportunity, I can feel everybody, the kind of their experience, and even when we teach them, the kind of they give us support and everything, it is really very good. And regarding the all this experience, we feel so nice when they said ki ma'am, feeling so good, so better. So that is a reward. So thank you so much for this opportunities.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for your outstanding service to the society. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir.
Yes, ma'am, thank you. Next, Seema Maharajan ji.
Good morning, all. And I would like to thank you, sir, all the team, Chaitanya and all other team. सबसे बढ़िया मैं अपने सारे पार्टिसिपेंट्स को दिल से थैंक्स करना चाहूँगी कि वो उन्होंने बिना मिस किए और मुझे एक बड़ा ही अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस दिया कुटुंब योगा का। जब मैं सुबह सुबह 7:30 ऑन करती थी तो मम्मी पापा बच्चे सब बैठ के जब योगा करते थे तो एक बहुत अच्छी एनर्जी महसूस होती थी। और आई थिंक जब उनके चेहरे देखती थी कि हाँ वाकई में वो लोग कर रहे हैं और बहुत सिंसियरली अटेंड करते थे। आई थिंक ऑलमोस्ट सभी ने डेली अटेंड किया योगा सेशन। So I really enjoyed each session and मैं सच में सबका दिल से धन्यवाद करती हूँ. Thank you so much, sir, giving me this opportunity.
Thank you so much, madam, for your outstanding, excellent service to the yoga field. Now, privilege to Dr. Vijay Lakshmi. Vijay Lakshmi, madam, unmute yourself.
Thank you, sir. He is the yoga guru, guide, philosopher, founder and director of Atindriya Yoga and Acupuncture, professor and yoga research guide from Yoga Sanskritam University. Daily, he is contributing 12 hours towards the Corona Yogi Warrior Program. It is none other than Dr. Paramashivaya ji. He is the direct disciple of Sri Sri Malladahalli Swamiji. He is the senior Acharya Yoga Guru, philosopher, naturopathy, acupuncturist. I heartily welcome you to sir for the program. Floor is yours. Thank you.
Paramashivji?
Yes.
Yeah, unmute yourself. You want to see, share your observation and experience to the floor. Can you turn on your video?
Thank you very much. And I congratulate all the members of Chaitanya Global Institution and also our beloved Chancellor of Yoga Sanskritam University. One very fine day, when Dr. Suresh has called me and said, can we do the yoga sessions for Corona patients or other peoples for prevention of this COVID pandemic diseases? Suddenly I shocked and expressed that we can do it. By the guidance of Dr. Suresh and the Chancellor ji, we have connected all the teachers, those who are experts in yoga, and we have started to train the public persons. Now, more than 300 are registered, but unfortunately, we had only 150 to 180 strength in every day. That too, every batches, Malayalam, Tamil, English, and Kannada are in the same period of time. So people are jumping from one language to another language so that other language is getting down the strength. This is one of the big drawback we have faced, but we can find out the solution for that in future days if we conduct the languages are in different timings. But all the peoples, those who are joined in this, they got good benefits and they are very happy. By saying this, we are thankful for all the participants and also all the organizations, those who are supported to us. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Dr. Parameshwarji. So you got the person morning 6:30 to evening 7:30, the 12 hours. So you also joined with all the batches. So you were seen and you guided experience to all the teachers. Thank you so much. The special task now, Devraj. Devraj sir, unmute yourself.
Okay.
Suresh sir, you should give an opportunity to Sri N.P. Radhakrishnan, President of Satyananda also, please, sir.
Sir, we noted, sir. Please write sometime. We have the protocol is there. We'll follow.
No, I just want to remind you. That's all.
Okay, okay. Thank you. Thank you so much, sir.
Okay. Namaste. Namaste. My pranams to all. I got this opportunity to say few introduction words in regard to Sri N.P. Radhakrishnan ji. It is my privilege. Sri N.P. Radhakrishnan ji, President of Satyananda Yoga Research Center, Kozhikode, Kerala, retired bank manager of Canara Bank, looking after the administration of the Satyananda Yoga Research Center for many years, offering yoga training to the people under the Satyananda Yoga Research Center. Also, research partner for this Corona Yogi Warrior project. Sir, once again, we welcome you, sir, to this August validatory function. Thank you. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you, Devraj, sir.
Thank you.
Shri Radhakrishnan ji, please unmute yourself. Radhakrishnan ji, unmute yourself.
Yes, sir. Very good morning to all.
Namaste. Good morning, sir.
We from Satyananda Yoga Research Center had a very wonderful experience in this national program of Corona Warrior program initiated by Chaitanya Yoga Kendra and the Chaitanya Yoga Foundation and VIDU. We jointly had a very wonderful experience here. Regarding our Malayalam classes, Sri Vijayaraghavan sir, even though he has done excellently during all these 14 days, today he could not attend the meeting for some obvious reasons. Very nice experience. Almost on an average 80 to 85% attended the class daily, and we had after the class we had an interaction with the people who have attended the class. They are all having positive results and have a very good opinion of the classes also. They wanted to continue the class also, so we have made an arrangement that our class is taken as a video program and it is uploaded in the YouTube. That YouTube, they can very well approach and have daily classes that we have arranged like that. You also can access to it. I will send you the link as and when it is ready. Within 1 or 2 days, it will be ready. Then regarding the cooperation from Suresh sir, Shastri sir and other dignitaries from your side was very excellent. We had a very nice opportunity of doing community service in the area of yoga, especially this period of pandemic. It was very important, and the people at large, the entire state in Kerala, we had participation from Trivandrum, Ernakulam, Thrissur, Kasaragod, like that. In all districts, we had participation. It was a wonderful thing, and we really appreciate your initiative, and we thank you all the concerned, Suresh sir and the entire team had done a very good job. In any other ventures like this, we are always ready to cooperate with you, sir. Wishing all the participants all the very best. I think nobody from this class will have a corona infection in the future, because that much of training and awareness they have got through the classes. So wishing all the very best, sir. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Radhakrishnan ji, for your best wishes and your kindly support. So you are also very pillar of the support for this event to make the grand success. I see someday also more than 100 participants are participating in Malayalam region. So, so one word is that do yoga, no yoga, like that. So thank you so much, sir, for your association.
Okay.
Next, a special task to Shri Arvind Kumar, yoga teacher. Arvind Kumar, unmute yourself.
Namaste, sir.
Namaste.
Hari Om, namaste.
Hari Om, namaste.
So, he is born in Chintamani, in Chikbalapur district, and completed his post-graduation in philosophy, Bangalore University during 1983. An LLB and B civil engineer and worked 14 years in Mitra and reputed NGO and various levels and held position of execution officer for 4 years. Then he working as a consultant to several NGOs in this country and advisor to the CDON, Development and Networks, and founder members of all East India Network, executive directors since 1994 of Research Service Center. Then executive secretary of Assured Dharma Trust, Senior Citizen Home, and past president of Frederick of Volunteer Organization for Urban and Rural Development of Karnataka. So I'd like to welcome Sri Anjaneya Reddy sir G for this program. Welcome, sir.
Anjana Reddy sir, please unmute yourself.
To the program, and I was totally inspired of your introduction, and thank you for giving the opportunity to Dr. Suresh in the program from the beginning. So I know I should also thanks to all the teachers and the COVID warriors and all the dignitaries of the today's program. So I know we all know that yoga is a spiritual discipline which a part of science, which also brings a lot of harmony with mind and body. So it is a part of keeping the healthy life. So I think yoga during pandemic, so yoga is helping across the universe, which is introduced by our country, which we can privilegedly can share that. So yoga is a part, yoga, whatever the program is been organized for 14 days, I think more than 300 been registered and 200 plus has been utilized the opportunity. So we all know that we are not up to the mark of the technology adoption. So like online program, probably only literates can be utilized maximum. Of course, even illiterates who can take the help of literates can also utilize the program. So global Chaitanya Global Foundation and Chaitanya Yoga Kendra and many more organizations have come together, planned this program. So when Suresh shared this with me, I was a bit surprised. So how I can contribute to this program. So from day one and up to day, so I was just involved in reviewing and planning and also advising few things which I have experienced. So I think the program was benefited more than almost nearing to 200 people with their family members. The 200 and more than 180 have been online registration. But their family members, if you take all such cumulative numbers, more than 200 people have been benefited. I think this 14 days is it's not enough to know all the exercise of yoga. It is only a basic introduction to the people. So probably by us, our Rupashri and others were sharing. So once we practice practice daily, I think we can become more professional and we can get more benefit out of it, as personal benefit, especially related to our health. So yoga during pandemic, so online free classes conducting by volunteer teachers, almost 20 plus teachers have been joined hands in providing practical exercises and conducting classes. So without expecting a single paisa. So that is a great volunteerism or great contribution by the teachers who are dedicated to this program. So I think most of the organizers, advisors, all are on free of cost. This is the best example that I can say that we can without a single paisa expenses. So we could able to reach more than 200 plus people who are in a lot of fear of corona, a lot of anxiety, a lot of trust, there are a lot of pressure. So we could able to reach many people. I think whatever the benefit have been benefited by the participants and all others, so should carry forward to the family members and to their friends and neighbors to benefit more and more, involve in more and more yoga and be healthy, because health wealth is not health. This we need to understand. Many people go behind the well and they lose their health. When we go behind the health, definitely wealth will be always with us. Otherwise, whatever the wealth we earn with our hard work, we will go to doctors, hospitals, etc., etc. So we should keep our health, and we are so fortunate that with 30 million population, so we could see the death rate and affected rate to compare with the advanced countries. We are so better because our lifestyle, living lifestyle, our customs, our traditions, our food style, everything is helping COVID. So yoga is one among that, so which is a very good tool that we can utilize to keep our health, keep our immunity system, increase our immunity system and everything. So I think I was a part of it. I was learned many things from this 14 days. Definitely I will be collaborated in future coming programs also. Thank you very much for every dignitary. Special thanks to all the dedicated teachers and all the participants and all the organizers. Thank you very much for being in this program. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir. Shri Anil Reddy, sir. So you are our chief advisor and patron for this Corona Yogi Warrior program. From morning and from day one till now, so you are guiding us, supporting us from morning to evening. So anytime we seek the help, you are the guiding. So thank you so much, sir. You are also one of the more pillar of the success. So next, was special task to Dr. Ashwath Kumar.
Hi, sir. Namaste.
Namaste, sir.
So introduction of our chief guest. All right. Okay, namaste all. Thank you everyone for joining. I know it's Sunday noon and you will have a lot of work, but still more than 100 people have made it to this event. My heartfelt thanks to everyone. Now let me introduce one of the greatest renowned yogi. So he's a renowned international yogi guru, as I mentioned, a senior research scholar, and is Breath in Yoga and Sanskritam founder, Chancellor of Yoga Sanskrit University, Florida, USA, and is the chief patron, mentor, guide, force of Yogi Corona Warrior program, and is none other than Professor Dr. BVK Shastriji. I welcome you. Just a gist of about the Shastriji. So Dr. BVK Shastriji is from Bangalore, Karnataka, and is a very well-known researcher and professor of yoga, Samskrita traditions, and a language technologist and visionary education entrepreneur. He served as a professor of Hinduism, yoga, and Sanskrit at an American university for more than a decade. Right. So he is the founder and current chair of Yoga Samskriti University, Florida. And furthermore tell about himself, the university through its affiliated at India, Thailand, USA, and is carrying out academic research in domain of Indology and ancient Indian knowledge system. And Dr. Shastriji has over 3 decades of research and teaching and technology and entire process resulting in several publications, conference presentation, and organizations, several research publications, book chapters, and a lot of publications to discuss it. So we have a vast knowledge who has joined with us. Without any delay, I welcome Dr. BVK Shastriji. Namaste. Thanks for joining. Over to you.
Thank you, Dr. Ashwath Kumar. Chancellor sir, floor to you, sir.
Namaste. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. For some reason, my video is not coming. Please check at your end. My camera is on, but the video
Ashwath
is
Kumar,
not.
please check. Please allow the sir to video to enable.
Yeah, I'm checking.
Now is it coming? Okay. Now I don't know. Okay. What? It doesn't matter. Okay. First of all, my heartfelt congratulations to all the yogis and the yoginis who have come under this program through Suresh and our friends in Kerala, Bombay, Indore, and Tamil Nadu, several other places. Now, why do we require yoga as a solution to the health problems, and especially in this context? We all know the challenges right now what we are having about this corona vaccines, beds, oxygen, and all that. A solution. But if you want to have an internal solution, an inner pharma that is inside you to tap without much of cost, and in a very effective and a fast way, the solution is in yoga. It is for this reason every pharma company wants to have a total control on yoga under several names, which is totally different from the Indian traditions, where Ayurveda, also called as Ayuryoga, was together. Yoga is not above Ayurveda, Ayurveda is not above yoga. And both of them are not above the Sanskrit. Both use the common language Sanskritam. That is how this name Yoga Sanskritam has inspired this particular program. Now, before I explain any further, in the limited time, my heartfelt thanks and congratulations to Dr. Suresh, Dr. Anjaneya Reddy, and then Radhakrishnan, then Madhav Chandra, then all the teachers, all the participants, Param Shivaji, and then who else? There are 100 names to be told. Okay, so I'm not going to expand all the names. Everyone. My suggestion, at the end of the program, people wanted support for one more week. I said this should be provided. And that logistics of doing that, I leave to Suresh. We will discuss about that. Corona is not going to go away as it stands now, at least for another 6 months. And the post-COVID treatment and the support is required. I think based upon the success that has been built right now, this program in multiple languages. It is not just Kannada, it is not just Hindi, it is not Tamil, in Malayalam, every English, every language, you have already got the program. Now let us develop this as a full-fledged package program to all the yoga teachers and the hospitals so that people can take a post-COVID support operation model as well as a prevention model. So that we will work upon together. This is the 10th year of Yoga Sanskritam University, and I have just initiated one particular program protocol, breathe to build healthy immunity. That is pranayama to build healthy immunity. It will be a 60-minute program. Hopefully we will offer in about 2 weeks time to all the yoga teachers. If I can breathe 60 minutes properly in 1 week, I will build immunity for 1 week. Okay, so we have so many temples, we have so many hospitals, but do we have a place in the society where I can walk in and say, I want to meditate, I want to do pranayama for 1 hour? We don't have. This is what our yoga teachers, yoga studio facilities need to build up. We have several schools, the facilities. If we can tap that particular place and say, you can just come here, sit, breathe for 1 hour under the instructions, use your own mobile and be healthy. Even for children, this will help to improve their memory, take away their fears. And this is where the research done by the affiliate organizations at Kerala is going to be of great value. They will say, who has tested that? See, we have a great engineer, a social scientist who has stepped in to prepare this questionnaire and say, yes, this works. So let us do this as a year-long program with the evolution of this particular model and also the new model we are introducing, 60 minutes, breathe to build healthy immunity. It's also a part of our 10th year Yoga Sanskritam University offering to the community. Well, once again, I congratulate everyone who has participated, build upon this, and thank you. Dhanyavad, namaskar. Over to Suresh.
Thank you, Shastri sir, Shastri Didi. So you are your very vital force to us to start this 14 days program. So from day one till now, so you also be there, your training, you've given excellent training to all the teachers, and you will also you participate in many events, so you've given many suggestions and guidelines. So as per your advice, so we are also going to extend 1 more week, sir. Thank you so much, sir. It's a special task to Raghavendra.
Namaskara one and all.
Namaste.
Namaskara one and all. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir. You can please go ahead.
Thank you. Namaskara one and all. I would like to introduce a great personality who hails from Dharmashala, Himachal Pradesh, and ended in structural engineering, currently posted in Bengaluru. He is a young and energetic leader, leading many youth clubs in Bengaluru urban. He lending outstanding service to society in support with Bengaluru district administration during the COVID pandemic. We welcome yourself, guest of honor for Corona Yogi Warrior Program. He is none other than Shri Vinay Kumarji, District Youth Officer of Nehru Yuva Kendra Sangathan, Bengaluru Urban, Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports, Government of India. Once again, a heartily welcome to you, sir.
Thank you, Raghavendra ji. So, Shri Vinay Kumar ji today is unable to join with us, so he is a government official officer. So we received a message from the sir through the Ministry of Ayush and through Ministry of Youth and Sports, Government of India, Nehru Kendra, Bengaluru Urban District. We send this whole day, the 14 days program report. It is reached to Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports, Government of India. Even the Government of India Ministry also given best wishes and acknowledgement to all these programs. We also give best wishes. Ask you to continue your journey and service to the society during the COVID pandemic. Thank you. So next we have privilege to Dr. Sindhu Shri. Sindhu Shri, madam, you can unmute yourself. Unmute yourself. Unmute yourself. We can't hear your voice.
You can talk, Sindhu. You are unmuted. You can talk. We're not able to hear.
I think she is not unmuted. Only the video is on.
No, here it's showing she is unmuted.
Maybe the volume. Can you keep volume to your thing?
Yeah, can you increase the volume? No, not.
No, madam. No. We can't hear you, madam.
Sir, am I audible?
Yes, madam.
Sir, okay. Sir, am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah,
Yes.
please.
Hari Om. A warm welcome to all those who joined the ceremony today. And I'm profoundly delighted to take an opportunity to introduce the chief guest for today. And he is a BBM, MBA, MA, LLB holder, also a postgraduate diplomate in PG Diploma in Human Resource Management, PG Diploma in Computer Application, PG Diploma in Operation Management. He is a president, CEO, author, strategist, spiritual healer, social entrepreneur, management and legal consultant, powerful trainer, vice president in Association Chamber of Commerce and Industries, and national vice president at International Naturopathy Organization, vice president in Rotary Club Bangalore, chairman of publicity and communications at International Conference on Yoga and Naturopathy held at 2012 by the Department of Ayush, Government of Karnataka. Also, he is an organizing secretary in Global Wellness Meet KAUP Board and Department of Ayush, Government of Karnataka, held since 2016. To add on, he is also a chairman, advisor, secretary, director, and consultant to corporates, educational institutions, NGO, and conferences. It's none other than the respected Dr. Harish, sir. We welcome you, sir. Now I request our distinguished chief guest, Dr. Harish, sir, to talk a few words about the ceremony.
Namaste.
Namaste, ji. Thank you. Welcome.
It was a great introduction, Dr. Sindhu Shri. Thank you very much. First of all, I would like to convey my sincere gratitude to Dr. Suresh K, a dynamic yogi, chairman of Corona Yoga Warrior, and founder of CYK and president CGF, for his great achievement in bringing all of you together. Yoga is nothing but union. So you are all a union focusing for the constructive development of the society, especially the humanity during this pandemic. I once again congratulate Dr. Suresh for this great achievement. And at the same time, I would like to convey my sincere gratitude to all the associates who have dedicated their quality time, especially the yogis and yoginis, in making this event a great success. And one more thing, I believe in the law of cause and effect. Here you have started with a good intention, and the participant may be 1 or 2 or it may be 1,000. It is nothing to do, but your intention play a major role And this has started, and I sure that under the leadership of Dr. Suresh and the great personalities, especially Professor Dr. B.V.K. Shastri, an intellectual yogi. I know him from many years. He's highly dedicated. He is also very dynamic, intellectual person. With this support, these things will go still into great heights. Here, during this great occasion, I would like to thank each and every one of you for giving your time, especially the trainers. I know personally some of them, like for example, Dr. Vijayalakshmi ji and Rupashri madam. So I'm feeling very happy because we have to convey gratitude to Corona also. Because of this Corona, all of us have come together in a platform and we are trying to show the power of yoga. And this is also, whatever the things is happening, how you are going to take the perspective is also important. Corona, we have to take practically in a positive way. Because of this, the nature is showing the place of the human being. We had gone to the above selfishness. Now he has realized where we stand and the power of the nature. And now you have got an opportunity to prove the immunity power can be increased through yoga. And during this period, I'd like to recall our Karnataka's one of the great yogi, Dr. Rajkumar ji. Why you want to recall him? Because yoga is a state of mind. We have never seen Dr. Rajkumar showing his anger or ego or any negative influence on him. Whenever he received any award, including Palke, he used to bring that award and keep in the showcase, and he used to forget, and he used to empty himself, and he used to connect with the nature. So the nature will never have any post or any achievement. It will influence the personality. We as in yogis should adopt this quality. Let us not get influenced by any post, qualification or achievement or whatever it may be. And let us focus only on the balanced state of mind, where the nature is an unconditional giver. Let us, we also become an unconditional giver. And today, this program, that is Corona Yoga Warrior, has played an unconditional role by conducting free yoga for each and everyone who have participated here. And I request the participants also to spread this, and I request Dr. Suresh also to conduct many more such events. And it is the need of the hour, and it has to spread to each and every house. Once again, to all of you, my sincere gratitude and thank you very much, especially Dr. Paramashiva ji, Dr. Shri Radhakrishnan ji, Shri Anjaneya Reddy ji, once Professor Dr. B.V.K. Shastri ji, Shri Vinay Kumar ji, and each and every one of them. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Hariji, for joining today program. So as per your Ayush legal advice, so we successfully conduct a 14 days program. Even in future also, we have had some other event is there as per your advice. So thank you so much. Namaste. Next, we have issue of participant certificate to the yoga teacher and participants. Special task to Dr. Ashwath Kumar. Dr. Ashwath Kumar, you can unmute yourself.
Yeah. Thank you, Chaitanya Yoga, and thank you, Dr. Suresh ji, for giving me this opportunity. So let me share my screen and show the certificate. Since due to the time constraint, I will be sharing few certificates, just the design. See, this is how it looks. This is a yoga for participation award. Like for example, here we have Arvind Kumar, a very active participant. So this is where we are giving, collaborated with Chaitanya Global Foundation, Fit India, right, and Chaitanya Yoga Kendra, and a lot of other dignitaries and institutes like this. And for teachers, of course, they have taken a lot of effort, time. So that's why we are also honoring a beautiful certificate. Again, it says certification of appreciation, which is awarded to all the teachers who have joined us in this moment, right? So like this, and I quickly want to share each and every name of the teacher who will be receiving this certificate, right? So let me start. So first we have Dr. Rupashri, and we have Sheetal, Shaila, Umakant, Raghavendra, Devraj, Mamta Singh, Urmila, Sindhushri, Vijay Raghavan, Manju Gupta, Seema, Mahesh, Arvind, right? Paramashiva, Vijay Lakshmi, Dr. Suresh, Purnima ji, Surya Kala ji, and
Sir, Mahesh Dalwani certificate I will get, no, sir?
yeah, we have, sir. We have.
Mahesh Dalwani, thank you. Sir.
Yes, Mahesh Chetan Das Dalwani.
Yeah, thank you,
Right?
sir.
So we have included all the teachers who have taken a lot of effort. And also we have participants, very few to name, again due to time constraint. Don't worry if I don't tell your name, but we have in the list. Like we have Sunny, we have Tanu, Vasudevan, right, Gautam, Sangeeta, so and lot more. So you'll be receiving soon. All teachers and participants will be receiving.
Monica from Chhattisgarh.
We have ma'am. Monica from Chhattisgarh.
I
Sabka
have
hai?
attended all days program.
Yes ma'am, we have, right?
And I want to continue.
Kavita Jha from Chhattisgarh.
Sir, our yoga instructor is not in this meeting. She told us to discuss about the session held during these 14 days. So it was a very wonderful session, very energetic one. We have attended almost all the days.
Okay. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thanks for that. Keep attending. We'll be coming up with more such programs, and request everybody to actively participate and make the best use of it.
Yes, sir.
Right.
Yes, sir.
Thanks so much. And
thank you, sir, for a wonderful session. Whatever we are getting, we are very much benefited from all those things. Thanks a lot.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Dr. Ashok Kumar ji. So I'd like to acknowledge some coordinators and volunteers. So we have more than 20 volunteers. Just list out the name. Bharatan Acharya is a technological partner. So you giving an opportunity to the free of cost of a promotional matters. And Mahesh Kumar is our one of the best friends. So he's giving the Google form all these technical activities. Dr. Ashwat Kumar. So he's our technological coordinator, and Umakant sir, and Raghavendra, Devraj sir, Arvind Kumar, Sindhushri, Dr. Purnima ji, and Surya Kala ji, and Hema ji, and Manjunath ji, and many more volunteers directly and indirectly supporting for this event. So I'd like to thank for each individual yoga teachers and coordinators and volunteers for all your directly and indirectly support for this program. So finally, we have we come for the conclusion of the event. So here the conclusion remarks. See, the 14 days journey as per our Chancellor Sir B.V.K. Shastriji's guidelines. So we're going to extend one more week based on the participant request. You want to learn more. So what is the 14 days module is there? Our technical support, Dr. Rupashri Madam has given the 1 week synchronize the program. So Monday to Sunday will be there. So you also request to join. You can use our feedback form. You can have the option to register for next one more week. So during the next one more week, so you can learn from Monday to Sunday, the 7 days program module will be given to you all, the alternate days module. So you can learn this module. You can continue not only 1 week, you can continue for your lifetime. Yoga is a life, so you can make it a lifetime program. This is the outreach of the program is still participant demand is there. You want to continue this event. So from day 1 to till now, so many people are supported to us. Satyananda Research Founder Radhakrishnan ji and Chandra Madhav ji. So like Satyananda Research Center Yoga teachers and NHRC National Human Resource Council Samir ji. So like that, many people are joined together to make this success event. Once again, I'll thank you so much for all who joined. So during this time also, based on our Corona Yogi Warrior team is given initiative to conduct a 7 days Yoga Saptah for Yoga International Day. So June 15th to June 21st, we have 7 days International Day of Yoga Protocol program will be there. So that also going to host a free of cost as per our advisor and research scholars. So next month, June 15 to June 21st, we have a 1 week program will be there. The International Day of Yoga Protocol. So you can also join. You can join with the many family members and the friends and relatives. That is after 7 days program. June 21st, we all are going to celebrate the 7th International Day of Yoga. So this is our conclusion remarks. So thank you all the organizers to directly, indirectly support for this event, make the grand success. So now we take the vote of thanks from Surya Kala Mataji. So before that, I want to thank to Ashwak Kumar ji and Surya Kala ji. They also supported. Last Sunday we have the Nama Prachar program was there, the mantra meditation. So during that time, our Shastri also supported for mantra meditation. The blessing will be there. So the vote of thanks to Surya Kala ji.
Namaste, sir.
Namaste.
As the yoga goes that yujyate anena iti yogaha. So which means yoga means to combine everyone or everything to the supreme soul and the individual soul. So in the same way today Chaitanya Yuva Kendra has combined. We all have come together in this platform and let us pay an attitude of gratitude to whoever, all the dignitaries in this online platform. First of all, thank you Chaitanya Yuva Kendra, Chaitanya Global Foundation and Satyananda Yoga Research Center. My heartfelt thanks to Dr. Suresh K. Narpavi, Chairman Corona Yogi Warrior, Founder CYK and President CGF, and my heartfelt thanks to Dr. Harish H, Chief Guest, International Naturopathy Organization, Vice President, and Shri Vinay Kumar Sir, Guest of Honor, District Youth Officer from NKY Bengaluru. And also our thanks to Professor Dr. B.V. Shastri, Chief Patron, Yoga Sanskritam University, Florida, USA, Shri Anjaneya Reddy Ji, Chief Advisor and Patron, former President, Karnataka. My heartfelt gratitude to Shri Radhakrishnan Sir, Research Partner, Satyananda Research Yoga Center, Kerala, and Dr. Paramashiva, BM Guru, Professor and Yoga Research Guide. And our thanks to Dr. Vijay Lakshmi, Chief Coordinator from Chaitanya Global Foundation, and to Dr. Rupashri Ma'am, CGF Yoga Research Scholar, Master Yoga Trainer of Corona Yogi Warrior, and to all the University, Federation, Research Institution, NGO, voluntary organization, and to all the human resources. Once again, our attitude of gratitude to all the Chaitanya Yoga teachers and the participants. Over to Suresh sir.
Thank you, Surya Mataji, for your vote and thanks. Before the Shanti Mantra, I was so emotional, so want to complete the 14 days to join. So before that, we want to on Ekadashi day, we have the prayer request will be there for praying to all the COVID and non-COVID patients. Please join with us. So we can send the link for that. So Shanti Mantra from Rupa.
Shanti Mantra.
I didn't hear you, sir.
Yes, madam. Rupashi, madam, please unmute yourself. Shanti Mantra from yourself.
Okay. I think everyone can join in saying.
Okay, I request all the participants, please join the Shanti Mantra.
Please join. Join both of your hands in Namaskaram. Let's all chant closing prayer. Sit straight wherever you are. Keep your eyes closed. Let's begin. Om Saha Sarve Bhavantu Sukinaha Sarve Santu Amayaha Sarve Bhadrani Pashyantu मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत्। Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Hold on to your hearts. You'll come up, rub your palms. Make a cup, place it on your eyes. The gentle massage, cheeks and neck. Few blinks, open your eyes, look at your hands. Hari Om. A very good afternoon to one and all. Thank you for joining the program.
Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhara Srivasadi Gaur Bhaktinda.
Thank you very much.
Hare Krishna Hare Ram Hare Ram Ram Hare Loka Samasta Sukhino Bhavantu Samasta.
Thank you. Thank you.
Om Dev Shanti Antariksham Shanti Prithvi Shanti Aushadam Shanti Vanaspatam Shanti Shanti Reva Shanti Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. May humble pranam to Puja Shri Anant Kumar Swamiji, Puja Shri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Shri Guru and Gauranga.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Permission of our chief guest of the day, Harish ji, and chief patron of the BVK Shastri ji, and the chief advisor of the event, Anjana Reddy sir, and Satyananda Institute, Radhakrishnan sir, and Parmeshwar ji. So I'll request to Dr. Ashwath Kumar to end the program. With all the dignitaries' permission, I can end this program. Thank you so much. Please join the next week also. Please join the next week.
Thank you all. Thank you.
Namaste. Namaste.
Thank you.
Thank you.